Hello everyone, my name is John Davies and I am the Director for Trenching and Business Development at Helix Robotics Solutions. Please join us at the 3rd Annual Power Cable and Interconnector Forum, where I'll be discussing site preparation with the focus on different tools and methodologies used to prepare the cable route prior to installation. I will be sharing some thoughts from a contractor's perspective on what makes a successful project. The takeaways being around having adequate and informed survey data, the right tool for the job, and early engagement with the contractor to develop the solution that meets the project objectives. I am really looking forward to meeting all at the event, and I hope that we all learn from each other's project experiences as well as taking lessons learned to our next projects.